you have been invited to watch this video because someone has invited you to buy a box of cards to help their fundraiser. So I'm going to take a few minutes to show you. This is the flamingo box. And as you can see, it has the little dividers. It's all divided up like for different birthday events, for kids events, for graduation, for different things that come up. But this is congratulations, you totally did it. See this with the whale? You know, they just look really neat. And then this one is relax, coffee, and read. So hopefully you can see these pretty good. This one's like home. Congratulations at home. So anyway, and then there's some more. There's a speedy recovery one. So there's some more. But this is a box of 30 cards for $30. We also have the black dot box that also has some more really fun ones in there. The thinking of you, the thanks&blanks with the bananas. And my very, very favorite is this one because it has the jewels on it. It says home sweet home. So that's the all occasion box. We also have a kid's birthday box, and the kid's birthday box comes in like a little drawer. So you could tell your kids, hey, let's go. Let's get ready to go to the birthday party. Go pick a card. And they can flip through here, and they can see all of the little birthday cards and pick one out that they think that their little friend is going to enjoy. So we've got this one, which is the little princess for a little girl. We've got this one of my favorite ones. You know how kids love puppies and things like that. Then we've got the little tiger one, and that's just showing you just a few. But I love the little box. They can color on it. They can do fun things with the box itself. That's the kid's birthday box. And then we also have the thanks&blanks. This is for a person who likes to send lots and lots of thank you cards. Maybe they're a realtor, maybe they're in sales, maybe they're a car salesman, that kind of thing. It comes in a box that looks kind of like this. I'll pull this up a little bit so you can kind of see. And then the cards that come in it look like these. So this says, thank you so very much. These are all shrink wrapped little cards. So they keep really, really good too. They're all different kinds of amazing. Just to kind of let you know. And then this one. So you really want to impress your clients. These are the cards that are going to do it. But we also have, last but not least, we have the holiday box card. And these are a little different because they're not shrink wrapped. But they come in a little divider box just like you said, just like the other ones. And they're different holidays. And like these are the Halloween ones that are coming up. And then there's Thanksgiving. And this is a little bit different because you get 50 cards in here. Not just 30, which is less than $1 a card. You get 50 in there. And the best part about this fundraiser is that your organization makes $13 a box. So it's incredible. You get a good deal and you get to help your organization too. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to helping you make a difference in the world. Take care.